How to use Evernote for beginners. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to use Evernote for beginners. What is Evernote? Evernote is a application software designed to help you with note-taking, organizing your task, doing your task list, and archiving. To begin, you can just go to the website evernote.com. And here you will be routed into the homepage where it provides you a lot of information on what are the features and why you should choose Evernote. Here you can see that with this application, this would definitely help you manage your project or the task that you need to do. So for you to begin creating your own account, you just need to click on Let's Get Started. And then here you will be choosing plans that you would like to use. So you can use free plan, a personal plan, or a professional plan. So with this application, what we will do or what I will choose here will be just the free plan, just for an example. So here aside from that, it actually provides what are the features that is not included on the free plan that you can take advantage with the other plans as well. So when you click on the free plan, you just need to log in or sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google account to sign up for Evernote. And once you have agreed that you will sign up with using your email address, you just need to wait for it to load up, and then you will be routed into this home page. So here Evernote advertises on their personal plan and professional plan that they would recommend you. And then you can just click on Get Started, and they will ask on what's the purpose for using Evernote and what is the main device that you will be using for this application. So you just need to click on Next. And here are the plans, or how do you plan on using the Evernote, so you can rank them from 1 to 3. And then once done, Evernote will provide you a recommendation here. So they recommended me to use the personal plan, but no need to get the plan. You can just actually use the free plan as well. So you can just close the pop up page, and then you can go to your dashboard, where here this will be the main or the home or the dashboard of your account. So here on the left side panel, you will be able to see where you will be able to add a note, you can add a task, or you can add an attachment, or you can even add a sketch. Below that, you actually can click on the home page, where this is where you can review or preview all the things or the plans that you had on your account, and it actually will show you as well the recently captured from the web clips, images, documents, audios, emails that you have opened using the application. So from here, you can also create your own shortcuts. This will you can browse on the notes that you had, the task that you made on the account. You can even add your own notebook tags and even the informations that you are shared with your team. And you can also browse on the deleted items or on the trash tab. So here we can start creating our own note. You just click on the new, that's the green button. And then when you click on create a new, you will just input the title of the note. You can input a brief explanation on what that is for. So here are the tools that you can add. You can add to-do list, you can add a reading list, your reflection, and a lot more options that you can choose from. So on this middle option here, you can actually view all the notes that you have on the account. Since I don't have any available yet. This will be the only one that I have. So on the top part as well, you can see that there are a lot of tools from what font, what size of the text, the color, the font style, and even the alignment. On the plus button that's colored blue, you can actually add an information. For example, you will add a checklist, or you want to add an attachment, or you want to add a checkbox. Those informations will be available when you click on the blue button that's with a plus symbol. So here I'm just adding a few tasks that I'll need to do for the research, just for an example for this video. So let's say I'll be having a market research. I need to create the product proposal, or the design proposal rather, and then we will be creating the product design after that. So if you want to add a few more information, you can even add a link, you can add a calendar, and you can even add image, a table, divider, a lot of things that you can do. But there are some features that you will not be able to use since we are currently under a free plan. So here what I'm doing is I'm trying to connect my Google Drive into the Evernote account so that it will I will just have an easy access if in case there are things that I need to open, or documents that I need to open, that would help me with the research that I'm creating. So here I added a divider, and then now we can add another information here. We just need to click on the tabs, and then we can add an image. So let's say we will add an image of a certain site of the project that we have. For example, this one, just for an example, or we can change it to another image. You can just click on the image, and then you can click on delete. For this one, you can try a calendar, and it is currently not available for free plans. So you need to purchase a personal or a professional plan for that. So you can also add a PDF. And here I added a few examples from my project here. One of projects that I have. And then once you are done with your notes, you can click on adding a new task. When you click on the new button, when you add a task, you can input on what that task is. You can input what day it would be due, the for how long you will be notified, or when you will be notified. And then you can even assign that to a specific person. So here you can see on the middle panel, there are the informations. For example, we added the things to do, and also the research that we added for the notes as well. Then we can also share these information as well when we click on the share button that's on the upper right corner of the screen. And then another thing here as well is that there are actually a wide choices that you can choose here depending on what you need for this application. Here in Evernote, whether it would be for work, or just for your own journal or your own diary, or just for you to take note of the informations that you have, that will be the things that you will need to do. And once done, that's how you will actually be using Evernote. For first timers, you can just do the or follow the information that I have. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.